हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। माई सेल्फ राही मासूम रजा फ्रॉम ट्रेडर स्मिथ इंडिया। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है दो स्टॉक्स। वन इज श्याम मेटालिक्स एंड एनर्जी एंड द सेकंड स्टॉक इज एसोसिएट अल्कोहल्स एंड ब्रेवरीज। सो लेट्स सी हाउ दिस टू स्टॉक्स appears on the chart and what their price action suggests actually. So this is the daily chart of Shyam Metallics, and if you look at the chart, then we can see that the stock has witnessed buying interest from the past 4 days, especially. And after this consolidation phase, it has actually given the trend line breakout as well, and it has also reclaimed its 100 DMA with above average volume. So overall price structure in these 4 days has actually improved. And if you look at its RS rating, so RS rating has also given the steep rise towards upside, and it is placed around 74. And it has a APS strength of 53, which is not that much good, but still it lacks lacks of improvement is there. And it has a bad demand of C minus. It has the number of shares held by the fund has increased to 9.38% in the last quarter. So the next stock is Associate Alcohols and Breweries. So Associate Alcohol is a leading producer of alcoholic beverages and specializing in spirits like whiskey, vodka, and rum. The stock has also witnessed buying interest from the past 4 days, especially, and after hitting its recent low at 1010, the stock has witnessed buying interest, and it has gained its buying momentum. If you look at its price accumulation, so it is looking good, and it has also reclaimed its 21 DMA with above average volume. And from the past 4 days, it has been forming higher high and higher low price structure on the daily chart with improved momentum. And if you look at its buyer demand, so it has a buyer demand of A minus, and it has a APS strength of 74. That is good actually. And the number of funds holding has increased to 75% in the last quarter, and the share held by the fund has increased to 32.55% in the last quarter. So that was for the chart of the day. We will meet again with another stocks and another chart next day. So thank you so much for watching the video.